Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the long tube sand segregation demonstration. The demonstration consists of a long glass tube which is rotated by a motor and a mixture of big grains and small grains. The big grains are black and the small grains are white. And the big grains are about 3 times the size or 4 times the size of the small ones. And we start out by mixing them thoroughly by pouring them back and forth. They're supposed to be a 50-50 by volume mixture of the 2 kinds of grains. And the tricky thing is to get them into the tube in a mixed state so that they can have a fair chance of unmixing. Okay, so here's how we do it. We have 2 U channels of aluminum, a small one and a large one. We put the large one down as a kind of trough. And we take the small one, we put it inside the large one, and we pour the grains into the small one kind of vigorously. If you pour them slowly, you tend to get too many big ones. So we just pour like this, lots of overflow. And you fill up the long U channel. And then you poke it into the end of the tube like this. Rotate. Take it out, hopefully not dragging the sand out again. Then you put this back in here, extra. And then this is probably a good idea to mix it again. And we've got to do this 3 times. Then we pour it in vigorously. With lots of overflow. Poke it in the tube. I use my finger to hold it up so that it doesn't plow the old sand that's already there. A certain amount of spillage is inevitable. Mixing. Now the third load. Pouring vigorously. Lots of overflow. Okay, rotate, take out, and put the cork in. Now the tube is ready to go, and I'll show you a time lapse of that. Here's how you put the sand back in the spot.